I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting the update now. First, make sure your laptop is plugged in and battery is above 50%. Updates can pause or fail on low power. Once connected to a reliable Wi-Fi, open Settings, then Windows Update, this is where the process lives. Click Check for updates to fetch the latest packages. You'll see download progress. Keep other heavy apps closed because you need bandwidth and CPU headroom. If an update appears critical, prioritize installing it immediately. Once the update download finishes, Windows will prepare files for installation. This can take several minutes. You should save all work and close applications because the next phase requires a restart. Use active hours to avoid disrupting your workflow, or choose Schedule the Restart and pick a convenient time. If drivers are included, Windows may install them during the shutdown phase. This is normal. Make sure any external drives are connected if they require updates. Then initiate the restart when ready. After the reboot, Windows will finalize updates. Expect 1 or 2 additional restarts and progress screens. You'll see messages like installing updates. Do not turn off your PC. This completes system file replacement. If the system appears stuck for more than 30 minutes on a screen, perform a forced restart by holding the power button, then run Settings, troubleshoot Windows Update. Make sure to check update history for error codes, which tells you why an update failed and what to try next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.